Are you annoyed that Elementor hides the site logo behind a Pro upgrade? Unlock the widget and add your logo to your site in under 4 minutes. Start in the Home editor, select the site area, and follow each click. We'll handle the upgrade prompt so your logo appears immediately. First, go to your home page and click Edit with Elementor to open the builder.
Then, click on the highlight to select it.
From there, click on Site. And now, click on Site Logo. Next, click on the Use Site Logo widget, one of dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. Then, click on Upgrade Now. And finally, click on Upgrade Now one more time. And that wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.